Welcome to the webinar number 1 in the Financial Abuse Awareness series. My name is Bill Mitchell. This series is part of the Financial Protections Project, co-designed by the Queensland Government, Caxton Legal Centre and Townsville Community Law. The series is an online continuing professional development program that aims to raise financial industry awareness about financial abuse of older persons. Before we begin, we acknowledge the traditional owners of the land and we pay our respects to their elders past, present and emerging. This presentation is about the project called the Financial Protections Project. The slides are not read verbatim, but they're paraphrased for emphasis. They are designed to be standalone, readable modules and contain references for deeper learning. So let's begin. The Financial Protection Service and Project was instigated following a recommendation of the Queensland Government inquiry into the adequacy of financial protections for Queensland seniors. You can see the links on the screen to follow those links to the inquiry report. The Queensland Government Department of Communities, Disability Services and Seniors provided establishment and pilot funding for the project, and the project was co-designed between the Department, Caxton Legal Centre and Townsville Community Legal Service, now called Townsville Community Law. As you can see, there are a number of services available for people who are at risk of or experiencing elder abuse. The Financial Protection Service has been rolled out across 10 sites in Queensland, including the 5 sites of the Seniors Legal and Support Services and 5 sites of the Elder Abuse Prevention and Support Services that are operated by Relationships Australia in Queensland. The Financial Protection Service is an innovative intervention that uses the expertise of service partners in legal, social work, financial counselling and mediation services to have conversations with older persons in their own communities. And there's 2 reasons for that: to increase knowledge and trigger thinking for older persons to help them build financial resilience. And then secondly, to address vulnerability to financial abuse by recommending protective financial behaviours and offering referrals where the older person is at risk of or actually experiencing elder abuse. There are correlating risk factors between financial exclusion and financial abuse. The Financial Protection Services are community-based and they're tailored to the needs of their local communities. They are uniquely equipped to guide conversations and offer information and referrals to mitigate vulnerability to financial abuse. The Financial Protection Service aims to sit at the intersection between independence and vulnerability and facilitate access to financial information and advice, and thereby increase the capacity of older persons to make autonomous financial decisions, including having choice and control over the decisions that are executed for them by third parties. The service also aims to shape financial sector responses to financial abuse through education and collaboration. The Financial Protection Service focuses on financial decisions made leading up to and following retirement. During this significant life transition, economic resources and social relationships play a key role in an older person's well-being. The service builds on service partner expertise to screen for and respond to elder financial abuse, and it uses a focus on protective advice as a preventative tool against financial abuse. The service is focused on financial abuse in a relationship of trust, including financial entitlement, what some people call inheritance impatience, but it also focuses on coercion. You can see an overview of the Financial Protections Project, including the awareness material, of which this is the first in a series of slides, and the Financial Protection Service, which operates information and referral services for older persons within those 10 discrete communities. Thanks for listening to this first in the series of the Financial Protections Awareness. Feel free to download the PDF file for future reference. The next module you'll hear is about an overview of how the training program works. Thanks for joining us.